Hi everyone, I hope you're well. Welcome back to the channel. Right, today I've got a review to do and it was from Aldi. So come on over and have a look what it is. I brought this from Aldi. It cost £1.49 and it's called Mixology by Fabulosa and it is a multi-purpose cleaner. I brought the raspberry and black pepper, but there are two other ones that you can buy and they are salted pretzel and white tea and watermelon and pistachio. So we're going to have a look at the back and we're going to have a smell as well. Right, here's the instructions at the back of what the multi-purpose cleaner can do. It can clean your cooker and hobs, your stove tops, your kitchen surfaces, your sinks and taps, your pet areas, toilet seats, bath and showers, and hard floors and tiles. And here's your directions at the top to use. You spray it on, you leave it for 5 minutes. If you've got a heavy soiled area, you just repeat the application. For my review, I will be cleaning my kitchen counter and my oven top, hob, whatever you call it. So we're going to open it up and we're going to have a spray and we're going to leave it on for 5 minutes like it said in the instructions. Right, I think it's just a turny one, so you just turn the nozzle and we're going to give it a spray. And it smells absolutely delicious. It really does. It smells so nice and fresh, and you can smell the raspberry and the black pepper in it. It smells absolutely lovely. So there's my kitchen counter sprays. Now I'm going to do my oven top. As you can see, my oven hob is a bit grimy, so I'm going to give it a few sprays. We're going to leave it on for 5 minutes like it says. Absolutely smells absolutely delicious. Do you know what? I could drink it, but obviously you can't drink it. You can also smell the like flowers in it as well. So there we go. That's my countertop sprays and my oven hob sprayed. So we're going to leave it for 5 minutes and we'll come back and we'll see how easily it is to wipe off everything. Right, I've just walked back into the kitchen. It's been about 5 minutes now and it smells absolutely lovely in here. Do you know what? It smells like I've only just sprayed the spray again. So the smell of this lasts a long time. It's been about 5 minutes like I said. So what we're going to do, we're going to get a damp cloth and we're just going to wipe over the greasy sides. So I have one of these cloths. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wipe over the sides, move that out the way. Now we're onto the cooker hob, and this was a little bit more dirtier than the countertop, and as you can see, it's just wiping it all off. Do you know what? I'm really impressed with this stuff. You've seen how dirty the oven hob was. Sorry, I can't get my words out again. You know what I'm like with my words. Look, amazing. And it's just wiped off. I'm not even scrubbing it. I haven't even got a scrubber. I'm just doing it with a wet damp cloth like it says. Absolutely amazing. Look. Just wiped all the gravy, all the grease, all the grime away. So I'm going to get a dry cloth again and we're going to dry it up. Right, I've just got some kitchen towel because I can't find my, oh, you know them fluffy dry cloths that you use, fibre cloths. I can't find them at the minute, so I'm just going to dry it with a tissue kitchen roll. There we go. It's left no smears, no streaks. It's left no grease on. It's got all the grease off, all the gravy off, the whole lot. Wow, amazing. Look how clean that is now. No streaks. You know, sometimes with your multi-purpose sprays, you get real bad streaks and you're trying to stand there for ages trying to rub them out. Amazing. It's definitely a thumbs up for Mixology Fabulosa multi-purpose spray from Aldi. It was £1.49 like I said. It does all the stuff that I showed you, all them different areas that you can clean. Amazing. Right, there's the side now, all nice and dry, all nice and clean. And there's the cooker. The cook a hob all nice and clean. So Mixology by Fabulosa, absolutely amazing stuff. Like I said, it's £1.49 from Aldi. It comes in 2 other fragrances. I highly recommend it. It smells lovely. The smell lasts for ages and ages, and you've seen how clean it got, and that was just leaving it for 5 minutes. I didn't even have to repeat the application for the hob. So I'm going to give this a really high score. Absolutely amazing stuff. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you all later. Bye.